Hey there, how are you doing?
Hey, I'm doing pretty good. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing well too, just trying to stay busy with work and all. Have you been up to anything exciting lately?
Not really, just the usual routine, but I did start reading this amazing book recently that I can't put down. It's so gripping.
That sounds interesting. What's the book about?
It's a mystery thriller about a detective trying to solve a series of murders in a small town. The plot twists are incredible.
Wow, that sounds like my kind of book. I'll have to check it out. By the way, have you made any plans for the upcoming weekend?
Actually, I was thinking of going on a hike with a few friends. Would you like to join us?
That sounds like a lot of fun. I'd love to come along. Hiking is always a great way to disconnect and enjoy nature.
Definitely. It's a great way to recharge and spend quality time with friends. Plus, the views from the top are always worth the effort.
Absolutely. I can't wait for the weekend now. So, how's everything else going in your life? Any updates on the job front?
Well, I've been considering a few new opportunities lately. I might make a career switch soon, but I'm still weighing my options. How about you? Any exciting developments on your end?
Actually, I've been thinking about starting a side business related to my passion for photography. It's still in the early stages, but I'm really excited about the possibilities.
That's amazing. I always knew you had a talent for photography. I'm sure your business will be a huge success. Let me know if there's anything I can do to support you.
Thanks so much. Your support means a lot to me. I'll definitely keep you updated on my progress. It's great to have friends like you who believe in me.
Of course, that's what friends are for. We're here to cheer each other on and celebrate each other's successes. I'm so glad to have you in my life.
Likewise, our friendship means the world to me. It's always a pleasure catching up with you and sharing our thoughts and dreams. Here's to many more conversations like this in the future.
Cheers to that. I can't wait to see where life takes us next. Thanks for being an amazing friend. Let's make more memories and support each other every step of the way.
Absolutely. Together, we can conquer anything. Here's to our friendship and all the adventures that lie ahead. Cheers, my friend.
Cheers to us. I'm grateful for our bond and all the laughter and love we share. Here's to a bright future filled with happiness and success. Love you, friend.
Love you too. Take care and talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Looking forward to our next chat. Take care and have a fantastic day. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.